Hi friends. So in this tutorial we will see how to install Brew in macOS. So if you have taken a new Mac or you are transitioning from Windows to Mac operating system, so the first thing you should do to install Brew in your Mac operating system. So what is the Brew? Brew is a package manager, and using this package manager you can install most of the libraries via Brew itself. You don't need to install those library one by one. So in this video we will see how to install Brew in macOS, and with the Brew we will try to install some of these packages. Okay, so how to install? Go to Brew website, Brew Installation Mac, and you will see Homebrew website. Open this link and there is a command. Open a terminal and just paste this command quickly. Okay, it will take maybe few minutes when the brew will be installed to your system. Just give the password. Okay, so it's installing. It may take couple of minutes. Just allow to run this command. Okay, so this is installed in my system, and using this Brew we can install some libraries. Let's say we should install the Python. So it's pretty simple. You don't need to go to Python website and install separately. You can just use the Brew, and the commands are very simple. Brew install. So the Python is installed. Just see Python 3 hyphen version, and you can see the Python is installed. Okay. Similar way, let me install the Terraform. So if you are working in the cloud, you may be aware about the Terraform. We use Terraform to push the code in our cloud network. So Brew install Terraform, and you can see it's fetching the Terraform library, and with this even Terraform should have been installed. So you can see your Terraform is installed. Similar way, other packages like Git or Node. Let me see. Brew install Node. You can see it is installing the node.js. So it's pretty simple. Install Brew from this command, and once the Brew is installed you can install any of these packages. Okay, it may take a couple of minutes to install Node. Yeah, and Node is done. You can see here this is a Node version which is installed. Okay, so thank you very much.